Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel!
Because my privacy seatbelt is so pretty. And Timothy got a pink one.
Yay! So today...
Because he's so far away.
Yes, very far away. So today, we woke up so early. Bravo to Raine. She woke up so early. Yay! Yay! So we are going to the park since Mama is working late today. So we could go to the park. So let's go guys. We are going to the park. Let's go see the lake. We are close to the park. We are at the park. We are here. Okay, can you wait? So we are in it's called this Prien Lake Park. And you see that one right there? It's our lake. It's kind of dark. Now you're wearing that boots. What? Right now this old it's a lake. It's a bridge. Right here. Or you can go there if you want. Mama's watching it. You like it, little boy? Where? It's a house. you're eating, okay? Raine, let Mama know when you're ready to go, okay? Oh my God, let's see what's up. Oh my goodness, the squirrel! It fly! Did you see that?
Mommy, will you hold my hand?
What?
There's no swing in there.
I can't do anything. Adi. We're gonna come back here maybe next day, baby. When oh my God. I think she doesn't want to go home. I think she wants to stay here. Do it? You wanna do it? Huh? Do you wanna do it? Nabunggo ang bata. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Look at baby brother. Oh, you get good. There's juice in there. I know you're gonna get thirsty, so see? Give me one. Give me the other one for the brother. Come on. Thank you. Thank you. Put it there. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye. Did you have fun?
No.
No? Because you don't wanna go home? Yeah, but you're tired. Yeah? So yes, we are going.
Mama, can you put your seatbelt on?
Okay. Did you have
And drive.
Did you have fun?
No.
Whoosh. Seriously?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah.
We've been there for 2 hours, you're not having fun? You too.
You got 20 minutes, 100 million ago.
Yeah. So yeah, so
You drive.
okay, let me finish talking. So she doesn't want to go
I
home
want your
because
phone.
okay, she doesn't want to go home because there is a lot of kids already there, and she wanted to play, all of them, and she finally have friends that they played together.
But you're not my friend, you're my mama.
Yeah, but you had a little boy there that plays with you, but we need to go.
Yeah, he just said he was a monster.
Why am I a monster?
Because he's acting like he's silly.
No, do not say that again, okay? I'm your mama, I'm not a monster. Do you understand?
No, but I'm just talking.
Yeah, but it's not like you're talking. You're not supposed to say that. That's bad to say. So, so yeah, I'll probably have at least another hour or so. I'm supposed to be off today, but nope. I had to go to work. So, I'll see you guys next.
1, 2, 3, come on!